In this situation, there is no voltage flowing through the system. If you notice a burnt out light bulb, connection points that are loose, or broken conductors inside the wire insulation, you most likely have an open circuit issue. A short circuit issue involves a large increase in voltage and can result in a shock. A short circuit is caused by a hot wire touching a neutral wire. This will overload the circuit and cause sparks or popping sounds. A loose or corroded wire, or a wire chewed by a cat, can cause a short circuit. Faulty electrical appliances or switches can also cause a short circuit. Having a qualified electrician diagnose the issue can help you solve the problem and prevent it from getting worse. Another common cause of a circuit issue is a component failure. These components include a fan motor, a light bulb, a switch, or wiring. A short circuit will likely require professional help, as it could be dangerous. In such a case, it is best to contact a professional to assess the situation and provide advice and solutions. The best way to avoid damaging your house or property is to get a professional electrician to evaluate your home and determine what is causing the problem. Overloading. This is the most common type of electrical circuit problem. This type of issue can occur when an electrical wire is receiving more amperage than it is rated for. The reason is usually loose or corroded wiring or too many appliances plugged into the circuit. This can be a serious problem, and the right solution is to repair the problem. In addition, if a fuse is blown, you can check whether it's a defective or charred wire. A short circuit can be dangerous. A short circuit happens when an electrical wire that is not suited to carry high volume electricity is in contact with something conductive. It can damage an appliance and cause an electrical shock or even fire. If you suspect that a circuit has been tripped, it is a good idea to consult a Milwaukee electrician to ensure that your home is safe. These professionals will be able to help you troubleshoot any electrical problem you may have in your home. If you've discovered a short circuit, try to turn off the power. You should be able to test the electrical circuit by flipping the switch. However, if it is tripped repeatedly, call a qualified electrician to fix the problem. Once you've isolated the problem, you can begin investigating the source of the problem. If you're unsure of what's causing the problem, turn on all of the lights in the house and plug all of your devices into the outlets. The most common cause of circuits tripping is circuit overload. This occurs when the circuit is overloaded and there is not enough room for all of the electrical appliances. It may even result in a fire in the home. To avoid this, make sure to take the proper precautions. A short circuit can also damage an electrical appliance. If you find yourself in this situation, contact a local electrician right away to have it checked. If you are unable to determine if your circuit is overloaded, you can try unplugging all of the electrical items in the car. If this is not the case, you can always add a dedicated circuit. A dedicated circuit will allow you to use a much larger number of appliances and home systems. If your car is experiencing frequent electrical problems, it is time to get it checked out. If you think the problem is a blown fuse, you should replace it immediately. A short circuit can be caused by a few different things. Most commonly, it is caused by an overload, or an animal may damage the wiring. If the breaker tips again, it is most likely a wiring problem. A short circuit should trip the breaker immediately. Then, you will have to look for any additional problems that might be causing the problem. This could be a faulty plug, or a blown fuses.